welcome back to my English channel. Today's tutorial is for you, the new millennium generation. Because I'm talking about universities and people which are at universities like students, and you need just to approach to the first job, the first experience, how you can get into companies from the university. So usually people think that if you are at the university, it's easy because you have a bachelor degree or a master degree, you do the trainings, the courses at the universities, and it's really simple, the step from the university, from the studying action to the work and money actions, I would say. This is not that easy as it looks like. I think it depends on the country. So of course those kind of tutorials are really general speaking. I think there are countries where it's much more easier, like Scandinavian countries, where there is always a link, easy link between the universities and companies. Maybe it would be much more difficult for Central Europe, South Europe, a little bit easier for US and also Asia. Depends on the countries and the cities. So generally speaking, what would be my tip for you is when you are doing universities and the degree or whatever, any trainings at universities, try to be really active from the early beginning. The reason is because the positive things if you are at the university is that you are young, would be the first job, so of course the payment is less for you, which is of course it's not that nice, but for the company it's better. So you can enter easy in a company because of course the payment, the pay slip would be less higher than somebody with experience. So companies sometimes they are looking for young people because of this reason. You know, they are looking for apprentice, for internship, so you can already touch a little bit the ground in a company, try to understand how it works, the world of the job world, let's say, and at the same time you can, you know, build your experience, you start to have money, and the company have less payment rather than paying another one with experience. So this is the positive thing. So try to be really active at the university. Usually at the university they have a placement office. Try really to be there, build your network like you do on Instagram. You can do also physically at the university. Try to, you know, to leave again your CV, update your CV, talk with people at the university. If there are career days again, as I said on the other videos, please go. Try to see which companies is there and present exactly, also tailor yourself to the companies where you want to approach. It's also something useful to do, and try also to leave on the website of the university. There is also a section like the placement office physically. There is also a placement office online, so where you can leave your CV and you can see the companies, which companies are looking for what. Because usually the companies leave these things to the university, like, okay, this is the job offer, they leave this file to the university, and the university then place it on the website. So try really to surfing on those kind of websites from the university. Sometimes they are really not that easy, I know. So try also maybe to talk with somebody at the university to see where is the session on the website where you can find exactly the postings and the job offer from companies. Try to see which are the companies which has an agreement with the university. So try to be active at the early beginning, and also on LinkedIn, okay? So not only on Instagram or on Twitter, on Facebook. Facebook is a very good channel too, but you know, the most important is LinkedIn. So you need to be on LinkedIn, and also again, post your CV directly on LinkedIn on your profile. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. So try to be active from the beginning through your university, and if you like the video, just let me know your thumbs up. If you have any comments, just leave behind just below here, and stay in touch with me for the next video. Bye!